What we're seeing is that most of the data right now in Web 2 are stuck in large entities, large corporations and silos like Facebook, et cetera. But there's a ton of data out there that's outside of these organizations. And we see that's the other 97%. And the hypothesis that we worked on was that if you can create a means of data sharing in an open manner using Web3 technology, so clear provenance, clear attribution, clear payments, transparency about what's going on, that you could unlock all the other data, as well as give people the ability to demand their data back from places like Facebook, Instagram, what have you. And so they could have full control over it. Now, the sweetener on this is if they have full control over it, there's a good chance that they can also monetize it. And that's where a whole bunch of good things can happen, where people around the world can start monetizing their data. And it gives people opportunity to become, I guess, data farmers, to create data sets, to generate data on their own and to earn off of that. Just like nowadays, there's this whole group, thousands of YouTubers who talk about various topics and they earn money from that.
And when you think about data, do you think about it as multifaceted in terms of individuals create data based on their own internet surfing experience? And to date, Facebook, Google have turned around, aggregated that data, and then served you ads and taken a portion of the advertising dollars that flow through the advertisers to the consumers. That's certainly one kind of category of data. Is that the primary, most interesting case, or are there other cases as well?
That's the most obvious one. But the protocol is meant to be agnostic to the use case of what type of data, what industry vertical, personal or private, corporate, or what have you, government. The main thing is to start having essentially a protocol or a language, the sets of tools and features that allow people to share data. But I do think that one of the first use cases is something like browser data, your health data, sport and fitness data, social media, all this sort of stuff where everybody feels that they could take more control over that aspect of their life and then maybe put it into some sort of data union or data pool where then somebody's responsible for the custody of it, to protect it, and also to distribute and market it, right? And then in that way, then people have the ability to work with Facebook to sell their data.